Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, I have a screen protector for your Galaxy Z Fold 4. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I decided to pick up a screen protector for the cover display on the Galaxy Z Fold 4. That display is always going to be, you know, the first one you grab and you want to protect it. Doesn't look like it came with a screen protector on it, and even if it did, I would have peeled it off. So I picked up this one. This is the Spigen Galaxy Glas.tR. Now I use the same type of screen protector on my Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra and it works great. And I have used many different Spigen screen protectors on other phones, so that's why I decided to pick this up. In this video, we're just going to do a quick installation guide and see how hard it is to install and how can you actually make it look good for you. Nice packaging from them. They have this little guide in there which makes it simple to install. If you want to pause that, you can definitely do so. Hopefully my camera is focused. But let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do, I'm going to take off my case. Look, you want to make sure you turn it off. Alright, so you have the screen, the phone turned off. Let's see what you get in the box. So like I said, you get the guide here. Bam. To make it easy, it's pretty much really simple. Then you get instructions, you get a squeegee, and then you get a cleaning thing. Look, you even get a hinge film. That is something new. You actually can put that on top of your hinge. That might come in handy, especially if you have a case that has the hinge protection on it, like the Slim Armor one. So I might actually do that in a different video, or see if anybody else has a different kind. And then in here, you get your wipes, microfiber cloth. Yeah, if you want to know how to remove bubbles, it tells you right there too. You got a dust remover, and let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is clean off your screen. And in this part, I might speed it up some because y'all don't want to see me wipe down a phone screen, do y'all? Alright, once you wipe it down with the alcohol, just dry it off. Then what you want to do is take a dust remover and you want to go around it all. You want to make sure you get it, you don't want any dust around, because that's the worst when there's a dust bubble. Alright, once you got all the dust removed, alright, the next thing you want to do is take your cover here, or the guide. It has the screen protector on the back. So what you do is just peel this off. And then you just stick it on here like this. You can actually just, it tells you right there too. Press up this way and press down. It also tells you to wait 30 seconds. But basically you just want to make sure you're getting all the bubbles out. And it even has the top and bottom, so it's not hard to install. But I'm gonna press it down, press it down. It's probably been 30 seconds. Then what you want to do is remove this. Take your guide off, and then you want to take off the last protection here. And look, I have a big old bubble. So I'm gonna do what the instructions told me to do. And that is what we like to say, a perfect installation. Look at it. So you do have some room around here for cases to fit, but that is perfect. Look at it. Even around the edge. Now, y'all gonna ask, how does cases fit? And let's find out. So I have the top to the slim armor case. So once my phone starts loading up, you can tell it fits really good. Also, we can check out how your finger, and yeah, you don't really lose any of the touch sensitivity on here. So, and if you do, you can actually turn it up on the settings. So, but look how that case fits. So this is the slim armor case that I did a review on. So that actually looks really good. I took it off with no problems. Here's the Rinky case. Again, it fits great. Man, I actually love this screen protector. It's actually great installation too. One-time installation there. But if you want to pick up this screen protector, you can definitely do so. I will have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at For's Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until the next time, peace. I'm out of here. Again, what y'all think about it? Look at that installation. Bam. Peace, y'all. Y'all have a good day.